A warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. So we'll see how the coming week 4th October to 10th of October is going to be for all of you. There are 3 crystals. You can make your choice, see which crystal attracts you the most. Timestamps are mentioned in the description box so you can directly go to your reading. If you want to support me on Instagram, the link is there in the description box as well. After you view the channel, after you view the reading, please leave a like, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. And if you can help me grow by sharing my videos, my readings. So I shall meet you at your reading. Thank you. Hello, and if you've chosen this group 1 crystal, rose quartz crystal, this is going to be your reading for the coming week, 4th October to 10th of October. So I can feel that the week is going to be around mindsets, thought process, bringing clarity for yourself, new ideas, perceptions. So it's more about your mental state, your mental health this week. A new beginning for some is happening where they're taking the first step of discovering themselves, a new journey or a new path that they are going to pursue, take the first step for this. It could be the very first job in their lives. It could be going to the university for the first time. It could be changing your career and stepping into a brand new line for yourself. So anything new which is unexplored and undiscovered is what is coming in this week for yourself. Some will be dealing with choices, making decisions. Which choice should I take that will be good for me? So they'll be dealing with choices. Where here also multitasking can be seen. Some people are trying to bring balance in their lives, in their workplace, in their home environment. So creating a balance, multitasking, this can even overburden you with work. You might feel a little exhausted, tired during this week. So it is advised that at times when you feel exhausted, it is a good time to just relax yourself, rest for a while, and then get back to work. Because of multitasking and the week is offering a lot of thought process, there could be heaviness in your head, there could be headaches happening. So it is advised that you drink enough water, calm yourself, breathe a lot, do breathing exercises, exhale, inhale. Also, if you meditate, it will help you to bring a lot of clarity for yourself, because when we are meditating, we are trying to connect to ourselves. And when we connect to ourselves, that's the time when our solutions start arising, our intuition starts guiding us. So during this week, try and adapt this method as well. Some can undergo the challenge of accepting their own identity, their own personality. Maybe there are people who've been talking about your personality, your looks, and this is something that is now you are going to take it seriously. You are going to motivate yourself, inspire yourself to do something for yourself. Not to tell the people or show the people, but yes, to prove it to yourself. And you are going to take steps to this. You are going to plan how you are going to bring a positive change in yourself now. For some of you, new love is coming into your life. It is advised that you first understand how the person is, connect to the person. There can be sexual desires, but it is advised to first understand the person. For some who are trying for pregnancy, this week is a good one for you. A lot of creative ideas are going to flow for you, for any creativity that is there, maybe for your project or for drawing, painting, or for writing something. So a lot of creative ideas are going to flow for you. But with lot of inflow of creative ideas, it is advised that you make strategies, organize yourself, note down what all is there, what all are you supposed to apply so that you get the best results. So certain strategies and organizing, planning has to be done for your ideas. Also, when you're trying to maintain a balance and organize yourself at work and home, planning and strategizing will also help you there as well. And for some of you, I can see that you feel stuck at the moment. You are undergoing the challenge of loneliness, depression with relationships. Maybe you feel that there is a tug of war between two relations and you are in between and you don't know which way to go. So a lot of debating is going on in your mind regarding this relationship. So here it is advised that you calm yourself and understand the priorities, understand what you want to do, where you want to go. And if you feel you are unable to do it, it is advised that you take guidance from an experienced person who has a good experience, wisdom, maturity in life, who's seen life, different phases of the life. So it is advised that you take guidance so that you're able to create a balance and harmony in your relationships and for your own peace as well. Travel is also indicated for this week. It could be just a week out sneak, or could be for pleasure or work, or moving to your university for the first time. So some kind of travel is also there. This week, it is advised to be more receptive. Think out of the box. Bring a change in how you have been perceiving things, people, situations. This shift will help you. If you break your old pattern of thought process, this will help you to move ahead, and when you start perceiving things with a different perspective, then you understand that, oh, why didn't I notice this before? Why didn't I think from a different way earlier? So there is a self-growth also happening at that time. Spiritual growth is also happening. A wisdom is coming into you. So this is how the week is going to flow for you. Have a blessed week ahead. Thank you. Group 2. Welcome to your reading for the week of first week of October, 4th to 10th of October. So let's see how is the week going to be for you. So I feel that the week is going to revolve around expanding knowledge, gaining knowledge, growth in your finances, new opportunities, some conflicts, new love, admiration coming in. Also healing is coming in. So let us see how the week is going to be for you in detail. So here, connecting to your intuition is going to be of prime importance. Your intuition is going to give you loads of messages and guidance. So it is a good week to connect to your intuition, calm yourself, meditate. This will help you to connect to your intuition and seek the right guidance and wisdom from it. You will find yourself surrounded with books. Maybe there are exams going on. Maybe somebody is preparing for an entrance exam. It could also be just refreshing your old notes, just reviewing them, going through them, or making notes. Maybe you've joined a workshop where you want to expand your knowledge about your career, about the field that you are in, or you are planning to step into it. So something of expanding knowledge is coming into you. Here you are also advised to stay more focused rather than being on social media, and also be a little more secretive about your plans, your thought process, so that when it's the right time, you reveal them. You will feel more connected to your divine this week. There is a good, a growth in your spirituality also coming into your life. So I can see love proposal coming into your life. It's a proposal that it's going to be like, a matured proposal, a proposal that you can trust with. So there is a proposal coming your way, a love proposal. The person can be an admirer of yours. This week you can also receive compliments for your personality, for your work, for your thoughts, for your creativity. Whichever way, you can receive that appreciation from your loved ones, from your colleagues, from your friends, from your family. I see growth in your finances happening. There can be an unexpected money coming into you. For you, maybe it's a loan that you had given somebody, they are returning you back, or you are beginning a new job here, or somebody is just gifting you money. A new opportunity is coming for you for your, maybe it's for a new job with a better salary. There can be a promotion happening. There can be a raise in your salary, a bonus coming in for you. So this promotion, this new opportunity is opening doors for your growth, for better prospects in your life. I see that there is a little dispute, a conflict that is going on between maybe you and your father, or somebody who plays that fatherly role in your life. That person is matured, wise, he has experienced life, he has seen life, and that is why there is a clash of your thought process, of your ideas, and that is why maybe and none of you want to take an initiative to approach. So here Archangel Raphael is sending you healing, the heartbreak that both of you have gone through, the emotion heartbreak. This heartbreak can also be in a love relationship which you have experienced. But here Archangel Raphael is telling you that this is the week to heal your heart. I am there to support you, guide you, and bless you with this healing. You just need to be a little more playful in your thought process, a little you have to take off the seriousness out of your relationship. See the lighter side of it. Don't take life so seriously. Approach each other. Value the relations you have in your life right now. Approach each other. Hear each other out patiently. Don't judge each other. Talk to each other. Communicate yourself, and you will see how you will release that blocked energy within you. And that kind of healing Archangel Raphael wants to send you. So take his blessing and approach the person you are dealing a conflict with. So I hope the week is a blessed week for you. Thank you. Welcome to your reading group 3, whoever chose this clear quartz crystal. So let us see how the week from 4th to 10th of October is going to be for you. Okay, so let's see. The week is going to revolve around building strong foundations for yourself, be it in regard to your belief system, your studies, your finances, your personal growth. It's going to be around that, be it your routine as well. So the week has good news coming in, surprises coming in, travel coming in, growth coming in, changes, transformation coming in. So here, now let's see, celebration is also coming in. So let's see in detail how the week is going to be. You will be enjoying the emotional contentment, the happiness, the togetherness of your family life, being together with the family, celebrating life together. I can see celebration happening. Now this celebration can be different for everyone. Somebody is undergoing a pregnancy phase and they can be celebrating some ceremony around it. Someone will make an announcement, and that will be a positive announcement. It can be that you are pregnant, or you've got a promotion at your workplace, or you've achieved something. That kind of announcement can also call for a celebration. Some of you will welcome a baby into your family. That can be a celebration for some. You might be laying foundation for your new house or buying a house. That could be a celebration. Some of you can be buying a vehicle for yourself. That can be a celebration. So here I see you enjoying the materialistic abundance in your life, like buying a vehicle or planning to buy a vehicle, and feeling satisfied that yes, you have enough finances that you can take this step. Some of you will plant trees or bring plants to your home, or sow new seeds or plants in your own garden. Maybe you create a small corner for yourself where you will enjoy the beauty of nature, feel connected to Mother Earth, and maybe you feed birds every day, or you will begin doing it. So some kind of connection with nature is also happening here. Some of you, I can see, are feeling stuck, are feeling anxious, are feeling restless, are feeling confused. You don't know where life is taking you. You don't know which step to take, which direction to go in. Some of you are dealing with choices. You have to make decisions for yourself. So here it is advised that you stay calm and connect to your own intuition. Your intuition is your best guide, and that is what you need to do in this week. Take your time, be in the nature, connect to yourself, and just understand and hear what your inner voice is telling you to do, and take that guidance and take your steps in life for that particular problem that you're facing in. I can see that some of you have been consistently working hard, but now you are feeling that you are not getting what you really deserve, where you should really be in your life. You are not getting that reward for yourself. So maybe here you are going to make this choice that should I quit this job, or should I quit this profession and take up something new for myself? So some new transformation, some new change is coming into your thought process, into your life this week. I can see that some of you are moving away, maybe moving away from a situation, healing from your health issue, moving away from a relationship, from a belief that has not been helping you. So moving away from your fears as well. So something you are leaving behind and moving away, taking steps towards a better future for yourself, a better future that has your own personal growth in it. So you can heal from your back issue, any head problems you were having, headaches or something like that, neck issue, your shoulder or your arm issue, something like that has been happening in your life. You'll be healing from it. Maybe you are taking a step towards your spiritual path now. Some of you can travel towards mountains as well. I see movement, I see travel happening here for you. So this travel could be a physical travel where you can travel for work, because this week is bringing in growth for yourself. So this can be a growth in your work, in your professional life, where either you are transferred with a better position as a leader to manage that place, that office of yours, or you are growing in your business here, or there is an expansion in your status here. Some of you are traveling as a representatives of your organization. It's a pride moment for you, where you've been given this responsibility to represent your organization. So maybe you're moving towards that right now. Travel could be for that also. Some of you can travel for pleasure as well. And I can also see personal inward travel happening. You're trying to bring a balance into your life. You want to take all the things in your hand. You want to take the decisions in your hand. You want to work towards your life. Some of you can be working towards completion of their projects. If there is a deadline that you've set for yourself, so meeting those deadlines. Children can have deadlines of finishing a particular portion of the syllabus. So certain things that you've kept for yourself, that this is the goal I want to achieve this week. So you'll be moving towards that as well. A lot of courage and strength will be needed when we move away from something, and when we have to take some important decisions in our life, or ready to take up some responsibility, new responsibility in our life. So a lot of strength, courage, wisdom is required. And this week, Archangel Ariel is going to help you. She will help you in bringing emotional stability, confidence in how you can manage your finances, your personal growth, your professional growth. So ask for her help. Spread your arms and ask her to help you in this week, so that you can grow, you can nurture yourself, and be happy and satisfied with what all you have chosen for yourself. Thank you. Have a blessed week ahead.